So what do you do if you've cut the wire by mistake? And you need to join two coax cables together. You only have sellotape or similar kind of tape to protect it, and it's outside. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm stripping back the cable that had been broken or cut by mistake. As you can see, I've just twisted the braid together. So you need to join the two coax cables. I'm doing this by twisting the inner core together, and I'm going to trim it up so that when I bend it back, it won't short itself out on the earth, the braid section. Now I'm happy that's okay, and there aren't any other wires around that could short it out. I'll put me sellotape, the clear tape, and then I'll then twist the braid together. Now remember, this is an emergency repair. It needs to be good, but it doesn't have to be long lasting. I'm now taping the insulation at an angle of 45 degrees, and by doing that, it will reduce the amount of water that could get into it. Now just take your time over this. You do need to put it around the whole lot. Otherwise water might penetrate it if it rains. Now that's one section done. I'm now putting at 45 degrees again on the other side. This will then make it even more watertight. Bear in mind this is not outside tape, and therefore it might deteriorate quite rapidly if water gets onto it. To reduce the water penetration, it is best to put the cable in an angle which means that the water will run off if rain falls onto it. So you can either put it up that way, so if it's going horizontally, you could do it like that. If of course it's coming up, going vertically down, then you could put a twist on like that, which will then decrease the amount of water that's resting on it. So thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to look at some more of my DIY videos, then please click onto my channel.